Scratches on your car can be frustrating and an eyesore. Whether they happened in a parking lot or through everyday wear, you're probably wondering, how do you get scratches out of your car? Luckily, many scratches can be fixed at home with some effort and the right materials. Let me guide you through the process to restore your car's finish and bring back its shine. First, you need to assess the type of scratch. Light scratches that only affect the clear coat are much easier to fix compared to deeper ones that go through the paint and primer. Run your fingernail over the scratch. If it doesn't catch, it's likely a surface level issue. If it does catch, you'll need to do a little more work. But it's still possible to improve the appearance. For light scratches, start by thoroughly washing and drying the affected area. Dirt and debris can worsen the problem if not removed. Once the surface is clean, grab a scratch removal product and a microfiber cloth. Apply a small amount of the product to the cloth and gently rub it onto the scratch in circular motions. Be patient. This process may need to be repeated several times to fully blend the scratch into the surrounding area. After you're satisfied with the result, wipe away any residue with a clean cloth. If the scratch is deeper, the process is a bit more involved. After cleaning the area, you may need to use fine grit sandpaper, about 2000 grit, to smooth the edges of the scratch. Sand lightly and carefully to avoid damaging the surrounding paint. Once the area feels smooth, apply touch-up paint that matches your car's color. After the paint dries, seal it with a clear coat and finish by polishing the area to blend the repair seamlessly. So how do you get scratches out of your car if the damage is severe? For very deep scratches or ones that expose metal, you might need professional assistance. These types of scratches can lead to rust if not treated properly, and a professional can ensure the repair lasts. To prevent scratches in the future, make sure to park in safe areas. Avoid automatic car washes with stiff brushes, and regularly wax your car to protect the paint. Small steps like these can help keep your car looking great for longer. By now you've learned how you get scratches out of your car using simple tools and techniques. With a bit of effort, you can save yourself the expense of a professional repair and enjoy the satisfaction of restoring your car's appearance on your own. If you ever feel unsure about the process or need additional guidance, don't hesitate to reach out for advice.